Hello everyone, hope you're doing okay. We're still talking about part 2 questions related to people. And so far we've covered plenty of strategies together. But today we're going to be talking about a little bit grammatical issues, okay, and grammatical points. Well, one of the common ways to get a better score in terms of grammar is to use different type of tenses in order to get a better score in terms of grammatical range. Okay, so most of the questions, remember, most of the questions in part 2 are about past. So that means you gotta be really good at storytelling. And one way to do that is to use simple past and past continuous in order to talk about your story. Let's have a look. Take a look. Use the past continuous and past simple together when you want to say what was happening at the time you met somebody. So when the question is about someone and the tense is about past, these two tenses can simply help you. But how? Let's check how. The past continuous shows the longer action and the past simple shows the shorter action that interrupted it or happened during it. Okay? Very simple. So we got two tenses. Past continuous, past simple. Past continuous for the longer action that continued for a short or long period of time in the past. But the shorter action, we use past simple. Let's take a look at an example. First of all, let's take a look at the formulas. Use was, were, plus verb ing for the background action. This is past continuous. And past simple. And of course, we can use when or while to connect these two ideas and tenses together. Let's have a look. I was waiting for the elevator when I met my future manager for the first time. So you see, I was waiting. This is past continuous. And this is simple past. And how did I connect them both? By using the word when. And this simple sentence gives me the chance to get a better score because I am using two tenses here. But always remember, it's not enough. You gotta be using variety of grammatical tenses. Past perfect, present perfect, future tenses of any kind. Okay, now let's move on. We were discussing a project when our teacher introduced us to each other. We're discussing, this is the longer action. We connected with when and then the short action. Introduced us to each other. I was walking home while it started to rain, and that's when I first met him. So this could be a very good strategy to talk about when and how you met somebody in the first place. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.